Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings. This is the only reliable route to lock the screen. Tap Security and Privacy now because system-level locks guarantee boot and app protection. Once there, choose Screen Lock to begin. You need a PIN, pattern, or password ready. It's used whenever the display is locked. Make sure to read prompts because Android will show why each choice is stronger or faster. Follow the on-screen flow to set your chosen credential. Do that first, and the phone will enforce it. You must pick the lock type that matches your needs. Pattern for speed, PIN for balance, password for highest security. Once chosen, enter it twice to confirm. Android requires verification to avoid accidental lockouts. After confirming, enable additional options like lock instantly with power key to secure the phone immediately. Make sure to add fingerprint or face unlock only after the base credential is active. That way, biometrics fall back to the secure PIN or password when needed. Finish by testing the lock. Press power, then try unlocking with your new PIN or pattern. You'll see why the system credential matters. It protects encryption and secure boot. If you want convenience, configure Smart Lock carefully. Otherwise, keep it off to avoid accidental unlocks. If anything goes wrong and you're locked out, use your Google account recovery options first, then contact Motorola support before factory reset. That prevents data loss and resolves credential issues without guesswork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.